Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. Interlace your fingers and press your palms away. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, make a light fist and circle down, bending at your wrists. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, interlace your fingers and press your palms away, reaching your arms overhead. And with each exhale, make a light fist and circle down, bending at your wrists, stretching through your hands, wrists, arms, and shoulders. Release and return to center, moving into shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, gradually increasing your range of motion. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around, releasing tension through your neck, shoulders, and upper back. Release and return to center, moving into a lateral neck stretch. Sitting tall, clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Reach your right arm away and towards the earth, relaxing your right ear towards your right shoulder. Continue here, or optional to add the light weight of your right hand to deepen this stretch. Continue to invite space and a steady breath, feeling a gentle stretch in the left side of your neck, all the way down into your left shoulder. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Reach your left arm away and towards the earth, relaxing your left ear towards your left shoulder. Continue here, or optional to add the light weight of your left hand to deepen this stretch. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.